everybody, welcome again. It's literally 6:52 in the night. It's probably sundown right now in Jamaica or in a lot of country, or morning in a lot of country. But yeah, I'm supposed to make a vlog from this morning, but we're just tired. Play tennis yesterday. I must say, can't see my face. You see the bag them under my eye. Play tennis yesterday, clean up. Just tired. So I just lay down at the bed and sleep pretty much. School and start back until a few days. But yeah, sorry, this vlog is just a random vlog pretty much. I just talk off at the top of my head. Certain things that just really concern me right now. I just want to ask, like, have you ever been in a situation where you just get up and you just feel so depressed, like you're just depressed that you don't know what to do? It's like everything is just down on you, everything. Just everything in the world. You just feel like the world is against you pretty much, right? Well, that's how I feel, basically. And what do you do when you're when you're feeling like that? Like, what do you do? So I was looking at it and I was saying that I don't know what to do. But then I realized there's nothing to do. Like, literally, there's nothing to do. If you're feeling like that, just go through it. Just accept that you're feeling depressed and everything. Just accept that, life is throwing a rock at you. And, you just have to deal with it. So, I want to know, like, people that watch my vlog, I'm getting a lot of views and so I want to know, do you feel like that sometimes? Do you feel like it's the end of the world? Do you feel like everything is stressing you, whether it be school, tuition fee, whether you're starting college, it's like your relationship stressing you out, is life stressing you out? Let me know. And if it is stressing you out, just go through it. Like, literally, just go through it. It's a phase. It won't last forever. I've learned that nothing lasts forever. Not even life on this earth, as much as I would want to live forever. But yeah, don't last forever. So my advice is that just go through it. Literally, each and every day, just accept the situation that you have. Try to find solution, but yeah, just go through it. Just breathe it. Don't get down on yourself too much. Just take it. It's already there. There's nothing else you can do. Like, literally, if you're broke, people, you're just broke, right? What are you going to do? You can't just get up the next day and say, oh, I'm going to be rich. No, you're broke already. So why fuss? Just accept it and done, So whatever situation that you have, it happened already, just accept that it happened already, right? And just move with it. Just move on with it. You get up the next day, you're still broke, but try to find solution. But don't pretend like, oh, you're not broke. Don't stress out yourself anymore and say, oh, at this reason why I'm broke. No. Because you dwell on the past. You're already broke. So just live with it. Just move with it. Try to find solution with it. If you're going through a relationship, if you've been in a relationship and you realize the relationship at end, or you realize that the relationship is not going anywhere, just accept how you feel about it. If you're going to fix it, then you try to fix it. But just accept that you're actually going through a rough phase in the relationship. Don't act surprised. Don't tell yourself, oh, you're not going through it, because you're lying to yourself. Just accept that you're going through the rough phase in the relationship. And all you need to do is just accept it and try to find solutions after. But don't tell yourself, oh, I'm not going through it, and this is not real. It is real, because most of us lie to ourselves, and say, oh, then I'm not feeling like this, it's just the person. No, it's you. Once you have that feeling, they know that it's something with you. And a lot of people, they try to cover their feelings by lying to themselves and living in denial. It's not good to be in denial. It's good to just accept the situation at hand, right? You have the situation here, the relationship, it's going downhill. This is you. You feel like you're going downhill. Just accept that you're going downhill. It's pretty much simple as that, right? The next thing is that people now accept who they are. Like literally, yeah, we have different type of people in this world. I'm going to keep this short. You have different type of people in it. You have rich people and you have poor people. Like some people, they're poor and they don't want to accept that they're poor. They're ashamed, yes. Sometimes we're all ashamed of being poor. But yeah, sometimes it's good to embrace it. Because when we embrace that we're poor, we actually have the strength to be rich or the strength to be successful in life. Right? That's your motivation. So by accepting that you're poor in the first place, it helps you to strive or helps you to push on and achieve your goals, because you're using that poor, you're using your situation, right, your financial difficulty as a gateway to explode, right, and reach your goals. So it is always good to acknowledge where you are in life and the things that you have and realize that this is me and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to accept this and move on, right? So yeah, people and their personalities. Like people know they have a dirty personality and everything and they pretend like they're all nice. No, you're not nice. Like people can actually see through you, say you're not nice. A lot of people pretend like they're nice and pretend like they're good to people, but you're not nice. You're being an hypocrite because you know you're not good to that person. You know you're evil, but you're not going to tell the people them say you're evil, right? But here what? If you don't have an evil friend, figure out them from early and know what to do. Just move on, leave them. Acknowledge them evil and move on, leave them. The friend they are enough on. I mean, I can do a vlog about good friends and bad friends. But yeah, you find out that person stay that way, they move on. But the moral of the story is, people, if you feel a certain way, just express it. Live it until you can find a solution for it. Don't cover it up. Don't try to hide it or anything like that, right? Embrace it until you're strong enough to move past it. So that's my message to you. Embrace the inner you, embrace how you're feeling, and just move past it. You can fresh up and think, because right now, I feel frustrated and thing, I feel like I catch flow and everything. But yeah, look out for more mini clips, look out for more vlogs. Thanks everybody, thanks for, stay big up yourself. I realize that you're actually getting people over on my vlogs, which is good, helping a friend. I really appreciate that. People continue to watch the vlogs, continue to leave your feedback, like, subscribe, and share to the family and friends. Leave on the feedback. I'm still a young vlogger, still a new vlogger, pretty much. Doing my thing same way. People appreciate the work that I'm putting in, and I like that as well. So here up. Big up on yourself, people. Enjoy the day. I'm gone.